Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Looker Studio to BigQuery for scalable analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Cloud account. Navigate to the BigQuery section in the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project if you don't already have one. In your project, set up the necessary datasets and tables as per your analytics requirements. Once your data is prepared in BigQuery, head over to Looker Studio. Log in to your Looker Studio account. On the Looker Studio dashboard, click on the Create button. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. In the Data Source options, find and select BigQuery. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio to access your BigQuery data. Click on the Authorize button. Select the Google account associated with your BigQuery project. Review the permissions that Looker Studio is requesting and click Allow. After authorization, you'll see a list of your BigQuery projects. Choose the project that contains the dataset you want to analyze. Expand the project to display the datasets within it. Click on the dataset that contains your desired tables. Select the specific table you want to connect to Looker Studio. You will see a preview of your table data. Click on the Connect button to establish the connection. You will now be taken to the data configuration page. Here, you can rename your data source if necessary. You can also select and adjust the fields you want to include in your report. Configure the data types for each field if they need adjustments. Once you've tailored your data source, click on Add to Report. Looker Studio will bring you back to your report interface. You can now start creating visualizations with your BigQuery data. Add charts, graphs, and tables as needed to represent your data visually. Customize your report layout and design according to your preferences. After finalizing the design, check the performance and scalability of your analytics. Save your report and share it with your team as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.